The WheelDock Wheel Chock comes with flush mounting hardware and is very easy to mount in your trailer. Place the chock wherever you'd like in the trailer and drill 2 half-inch holes through the small ends of the key slots. Then, drive 2 T-nuts into the drilled holes on the underside of the trailer and install 2 3/4-inch wood screws into the lip of the T-nut to keep them secure. With the T-nuts in place, mount the provided half-inch bolts from the top and lock the chock in place. With the provided wrench, tighten the mounting bolts to secure the chock in place on the floor of your trailer. To remove the chock, just reverse the mounting procedure by loosening the 2 bolts and lifting the chock out of the trailer. And just like that, you're ready to roll.